So the topic of the day is lines and angles. This topic is a part of geometry, and today I would be explaining you some of the basic concepts in lines and angles. Okay, so be there till the end to revise or to learn some of the basic concepts in lines or angles, or as you can say in geometry also. So shall we begin the class? Let's begin it. Now, as you can see, the first topic of the day is point. So what is a point? A point can be a small dot on any surface. Suppose if I make a dot over here, this will also be known as a point, but we have to name it. We can use any of the alphabets to name it. Suppose I write it over here, here C, here I write X, here I write S. So a point can be anywhere on a plane surface or a sheet of paper. Okay. Now the next is line. Now what is a line? Line has no endpoints. A line is drawn like this. It has arrows at both the ends. These arrows denote that it can be extended from any of the sides. Suppose this is the line, I will extend it over here till here. Now in the third phase, I will increase it from here. In the fourth phase, I can also reduce it. I can make the line like this. So line can be extended from any of the sides. It has no end points and no starting point. From here it can also be extended. From here it can also be extended. And line has no limit. Okay. This can also not be measured. Line cannot be measured. Okay. Because it is never fixed. Line fixed नहीं होती है, इसलिए उसको measure भी नहीं किया जा सकता. Now the third one is ray. Ray has a starting point but has no ending point. This can be increased to any of the extent as it also the arrow denotes it. Now to give an example of a ray, I would give an example of a sun. Suppose बहुत बुरा बनाया मैंने, but still, suppose this is a sun. Okay, the sun rays start from here and it can reach to any extent. Suppose हमारी जो अर्थ है वो यहाँ पे कहीं पे है. हमें अर्थ में तो सनरेज मिल ही रही हैं, लेकिन जो उसके आगे के प्लैनेट्स हैं वहां भी तो सनरेज आ रही होंगी. सो दैट इज व्हाई अ रे हैज अ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट बट इज नेवर एंडिंग. वी विल कीप दिस इन माइंड एंड सन रे इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ अ रे. नाउ द लास्ट पॉइंट इज लाइन सेगमेंट. ओके, सपोज लाइन सेगमेंट इज फिक्स्ड फ्रॉम बोथ एंड्स. It can neither be extended from any of the sides. Both ये fix होती है. Suppose it started from here, it ended here. Now it is fixed. ये change नहीं हो सकती. अब अगर हमें इसको change करना है या कोई और line segment बनाना है तो इसके लिए हमको दूसरा बनाना पड़ेगा. Like this. Suppose this was the length of 7 centimeter and this was the length of 9.5 centimeter. अच्छा, लाइन रे और लाइन सेगमेंट में मैंने सिर्फ लाइन सेगमेंट में ही ये लेंथ क्यों लिखी है, इसका रीजन है क्योंकि लाइन सेगमेंट को ही मेजर किया जा सकता है. रे और लाइन को मेजर नहीं किया जा सकता बिकॉज दे कैन बी एक्सटेंडेड फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द either from any of the sides or ray can be extended from one side. So that is the reason that line segments is fixed and can be measured. Now most of the figures that you see, suppose a rectangle, a square, a triangle, all of these are made from line segments only because they have a starting and the ending point. Suppose this figure also, this is also made of line segments because they are joined over here. Now you might be thinking that how can we measure this figure or this one also, or triangle also, because it is made up of different line segments and they are turning. So if I tell you about line segments more deeply, I would say that this triangle is made up of 3 line segments. How many line segments? 3. This square is made up of 4 line segments, and this figure is made up of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 line segments. क्योंकि अच्छा ये हमने कैसे पहचाना? The point at which the 2 lines are joining, from here to here it is known as one line segment, from here to here it will known as second line segment, and ये तीसरी हो जाएगी, then this one would be fourth, then this fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. Now अगर ये figures तीन या मतलब many of the line segments से मिलके बनी है more than 2, all the figures having line segments will be made up of more than 2 line segments. कोई भी ऐसी फिगर नहीं जो सिर्फ 2 लाइन सेगमेंट से मिलके बनती हो, मुझे तो नहीं पता है. Suppose here the 2 line segments are joining, so this point will be known as vertex. What will be known as vertex? Vertex is a point where 2 line segments join. जिस भी जगह पे 2 लाइन सेगमेंट ज्वाइन करते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? वर्टेक्स. You have to remember this word vertex. Okay. Now ये वाला जो साइड है, मतलब ये जो लाइन है, ये लाइन है, ये है. These are called sides. What they are called? Side. Okay. This is known as a side. This is known as a vertex. Okay. Now किसी भी क्लोज फिगर का जो अंदर वाला पार्ट होता है इसे कहते हैं इनर सरफेस या इनर एरिया. ठीक. इसके जो बाहर वाला होता है उसे कहते हैं आउटर सरफेस. किसी भी क्लोज फिगर के बाहर वाले एरिया को क्या कहेंगे? आउटर सरफेस, और उसके अंदर वाले एरिया को कहेंगे इनर सरफेस. ओके. सो किसी भी फिगर में, कोई भी फिगर हो, कैसी भी हो, इफ इट इज क्लोज, दैट लाइन सेगमेंट विल रिजेंबल अ साइड and the point where 2 line segments are joining will be known as vertex. Okay. Now suppose if I draw a figure which is something like this. Now from how many line segments this figure has been made? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 and 5. How many line segments are there? 5. And how many vertices are there? 1 2 3 and 4. How many vertices are there? 4. See, अच्छा, जितनी लाइन सेगमेंट्स है उतने ही साइड्स भी होंगे? नहीं, साइड्स आर 1 2 3 and 4. ये वाले पोर्शन में साइड कैसे हो सकता है? That would be the sides that are resemble ना. ये तो लाइन सेगमेंट हमने सिर्फ ड्रॉ किया, साइड तो उसके आउटर पोर्शन ही होंगे. तो दिस फिगर हैज हाउ मेनी साइड्स? 4. Okay. So with this you can understand what is a point, a line, a ray, a line segment, vertex and sides. Okay. Now let me make you revise once more. Point can be drawn on any surface at anywhere. Line can be extended from both the sides and cannot be measured. Ray has a starting point but does not has an ending point. Okay. It can be extended from this side to any of the extent. Line segment has 2 end points. Okay. And it is fixed. Line segment can also be measured. Any of the figures that we see are made up of line segments only. Okay. Now suppose a question has been given to you that there is a point and a figure is drawn like this. Now if I ask you how many rays are there, so this is the point ना, ये भी तो एक starting point है किसी भी line segment का, ये line का. Okay, so as you can see, if I name this A, B, C, D, E and F. So पहली रे हमारी क्या, and this is O, the center is known as O. तो पहली हमारी रे क्या हो जाएगी, OA. दूसरी रे क्या हो जाएगी हमारी, OD. और तीसरी रे क्या हो जाएगी, OC, सॉरी OB. ओके, नाउ इफ आई आस्क यू द लाइन सेगमेंट्स, तो पहला लाइन सेगमेंट तो OE हो जाएगा. नाउ as you can see, this is a one line segment. ये जो OC है और OF है ये एक ही है ना, ये स्ट्रेट जा रही है बिल्कुल. तो इसे हम कैसे लिखेंगे, F and C. इसको हम OF या OC नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है, इसलिए इसे हम FC लिखेंगे. ओके, so by this method you can find out the line segments or rays in a particular figure. So now if you are having any questions, any queries or any advices, drop them into the comment box and I will get back to you. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and good luck.